this before. It is a oil extractor. It allows you to basically not need to lift the car up, and you can just stick it straight into the dipstick. Assuming that you don't have any real issues, you're not looking for anything, this makes it a lot easier than lifting your car off the ground. I've been using it for 8 years. Haven't had any issues.
Let's see how this fits. It kind of moves around a lot. So I'll have to find a stitch for just like a flat bottom for this. Nice. That's not going anywhere. This is the top of the battery bracket of the tie down itself. So I just put some weather stripping on the back. Should help a little bit. One with vibration, and two, just the extra little space that's there. So back to it. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and just do a quick tire rotation. About that time. Side note as well, you can see this sheared off at some point. So had my friend's dad weld that back up, since I am not a pro welder yet, and this was kind of a critical thing. So just steel, re-welded it, back in business. So thankful for that. Back to it. I don't know if you can see it, but try and go to 96-ish. I'm sure this is way off and it's super old, so it should be good. But I'm assuming everything with a couple ugga-duggas ought to cover it, so. it's time to get back to that catch can issue that I had before, where I saw some oil at the bottom underneath it, and there's really nowhere else for it to come from. So I'm guessing either this isn't closed all the way or the seal is just done. But simple fix, which is great. So figure it out here in a second. I don't think it was closed. It was just open. Why did it open? I thought I closed it when I put it in last time. I'll have to check. Normal brake clean. You know the drill. Plan on painting the engine bay eventually, so I'm not too worried about scuffing the paint up if that wasn't obvious. So, you know it's closed. These are on the wall, just with the riv nuts. Good tell.
Beats, Battlestar Galactica. Listen to see me rock, see me lean, see me lean, see me lean. Listen to see me rock, see me lean, see me lean, see me lean. Got that dope, 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 got that dope.
Tape. I'm just gonna cut this off. Or break actually. Take these out. All the scarring is from before I had the fittings, so one day I'll replace them. One day.
Get it by any means, a cog in the machine. The connector is inception, but it ain't never a dream. My team supreme, believe that. Welcome to the torture rack. Lex Luger on the attack, and we back like chiropract.
Listen to see me rock, see me lean, see me lean, see me lean.
Oh, I'm tripping. Oh, damn salt. I think it's just this corner, so I'll show you another way we can do it. Pretty much as far as we're going to get. Still get a little fraying at the bottom, but better than what it was. finally got something that cleaned up the bay a little bit. Not too expensive. Normally there's 3 bolts, I've only had one in for ages. So. Can't wait to paint the bay. Just got that. Probably some leakage. No big deal. Oh. This probably just isn't good to have this type of stuff in there. So, stand by. First impression, everything looks a lot better than what I had, so it doesn't take much. Let's go see if it fits. Okay. I think it will fit, but there is a little bracket in the way. See if I can get in there. There we go. Jeez. So within focus. So right there. We have the piece itself, which goes to the bracket or the hood pins, so that we can actually mount the hood, keep it down and whatnot. So I just need to trim the back side of that, it looks like, a little bit, and then I'm thinking we should be good. So let me pull that out real quick. So use the grinder to grind some of that off. Not sure if you can see any of it in there, and some of it back. Probably just gonna have to keep repeating this until we get closer to it. So I'll keep you posted. Unless first try it just works, that would be pretty dope. Nope. So we got a little more to go. No biggie. See you in a bit. Okay. Ground it down quite a bit. I'll suck all the shavings out afterwards. And voila. Heat it up and move it a little bit. Everything else is pretty spot on. Bang that down a little bit real quick.
On the way down, know anybody on my way, I'm gonna take out. Used to think it was a game, but I'm playing now. You know, I get to the yo, I got it. Whoa, low key, I got it locked in. I need a mill, that's what I'm worth. Fuck that a bill. I keep it stack it, attack it, I mill. I see blood, I'm going in for the kill. Hold on, wait, by any means. Get to the digital top, 3 a minute. One of the greatest, I've been it, I'll get recognized any minute. Nigga know that I ball out. Pussy niggas getting called out. The rock band where they fall out. When I show them what I'm all about. Whoa, you sitting, yo, I got it. Whoa,
I should just stop.
I got it locked